Alright, today is January 18, 2023. I want to talk about the market. The PPI actually came out much better than expected. Um, However, um, we can take a look at today's price action on the QQQ. It actually went down quite a bit. That's a total of 2.48% change from peak to trough. Um, so I do want to talk about a trade. Well, I didn't trade, but I was watching the market all day, and this is the trade I would have taken, I guess. Um, well, first of all, the market's been going up every day. So it is interesting that today, after a good economic data, it actually went down. So at 5:30, actually, we see a big jump, and then it went back down, and slowly went back up. Traded sideways, actually went up tiny bit at 7 a.m. and then after that, it's just dropping. I think this would have been a good trade here. Um, but I wasn't around at that time. So, and then I've been watching just the market going down. And I wanted to see if I can catch a reverse trade. So, the market was, let's take a look at the 5 minute. It's having a seizure. So, on the 5 minute, the stock's been going down. I mean, it's slowing down here, but usually there is one more downward trend before going up. So we do see that around 10 o'clock. That's usually when the market bottoms if it's been trading down all day. So we see that here. Some sideways bars, small dojis, and then we'll finally see some upward action. So this is when I've been paying attention, and then right here is when you see a little pullback with big tails on these two candles. Obviously on the on the 15 minute, we can also see the same thing happening here with a pullback. And then on the 1 minute, it looks like this. So stock going up, pulled back. Here. slightly broke the trend. Broke this channel just a tiny bit. And that's when I think it's going back up. So we see a big candle here with a minor pullback, and that's where I entered. Well, I would have entered, I guess, but I usually trade options. So this is the option I would trade. So let's see at 1109, I will enter 1109. I will enter here at 21 cents. It start going up, but also pull back a little bit. I mean, obviously a better entry would be here because this is the second test. I think here is the second test. Here, right here is the second test. Yeah, she dropped down just a tiny bit again. I guess it's hitting the resistance from this trend. That's why it dropped again. But it finally picked up. And I would exit it around here. It finally made above this is the 200 on a 1 minute, so yeah, she went above it just slightly and start pulling back. So 1129 or 1130, 1130 would be here. So enter at 21 cents. And exited here. That was a 60% profit. I mean, that's pretty good. I would exit right there. Even here, if you're not sure, just exit a little bit earlier when it hit the resistance. That's 1126. Let's see, 1126 is like right here. That's still like 30% profit. Maybe exit half of it, and then if the other one still goes up, exit more. But there's a lot of resistance here. So if they pull back, retest again, still couldn't do it, that's when you know it's over. You could have shorted it and catch the drive down back to the low. So you could have done that. Oh yeah, the other indicator was the RSI. Even though I think on the 5-minute you can see it pretty well with the RSI. Even though it's hitting lows, the RSI is actually up from before. And this low right here is definitely way up compared to before. So that's another indicator that this is a rising trade here, at least for this part here. I wonder if the RSI is lower for this peak here. Let's see. 5-minute RSI. Peak RSI peak here. It's actually slightly higher. So I don't know about the RSI for this one. But anyway, that's the trade I would have made. And that's it for this video.